If you were given $20 and you had to spend it, what would you buy?
I'd probably give it to the homeless guy by the dumpster.
We're gonna taste jelly beans.
Yes, sir. No, now I gotta change my answer.
Adam Vidari.
Steven Lopez.
Ryan Kelly.
Mark Halstead.
Chris.
Dave.
James Buckta.
What do you do here?
I am a bathroom and kitchen remodel technician.
I am a residential technician.
I am a technician in training.
Lead tech.
I'm a tech in training.
I'm a tech in training.
Work on kitchens and baths.
How long have you been working for Crate?
3 months on the 20th of February.
It's February 1st of this year, 2018.
Oh, goodness. Just over 4 months.
Almost 6 years.
About 4.5 months.
A little over a year and a half.
4 years.
Why do you like to work here?
The people, it's awesome. You get to do something different every day. You know, you get to see the creativity come to life.
Everything about it, the people are cool and jobs are flowing and I'm learning a lot.
Oh, I would say the porta potty on site makes it very, very easy, yes.
It's always exciting.
I like that every day is something different and there's problems to be fixed and the end renovation process, I guess.
Oh, I like to put my ideas into the project and be creative, and love to see the homeowners' faces when the project's all done.
Sense of family.
If you were given $20 and you had to spend it, what would you buy?
I don't know, a celebration of something probably. I don't know.
Probably some Guinness. Good old Guinness, yes.
Maybe take the kids for ice cream.
I go to a movie.
I'd probably buy myself something to drink and a whole bunch of scratchers.
Flowers for my wife.
I'd probably give it to the homeless guy by the dumpster.